Your relationship with your spouse has ended. It's no longer going to move forward. That's okay. But you need to file for divorce. How do you do it? Great question. Here in Colorado, it's a pretty simple process to get started. While there are a lot of steps to the entire process, to actually file for divorce and get the case going is pretty straightforward. So you'll generally need 3 documents. One is going to be a petition for dissolution of marriage, which is the fancy legal term for divorce. That says that your marriage is irretrievably broken, means there's no reconciliation possible, gives a lot of basic information about you and your spouse, and lets the court know that you want to go through the divorce process. The second is going to be a summons. If your spouse doesn't sign the petition with you, then you will have to have them personally served. And so the summons is the information sheet essentially about that personal service. So you generally just need to fill out the caption at the top. The third document that you need is often called a domestic case information sheet. And again, it's just kind of some basic information, address, phone number, date of birth for you and your spouse, and then any minor children that you two may have together. So once you have those initial documents filled out, you can file for divorce in the district court of the county where either you or your spouse lives. So if you both live in the same county, there's only one county that you can file in, but you want to do it in the district court. So that's something for wherever you live in Colorado. You'll probably just need to search for the district court where it's located in your county. But then you'll take your documents and you'll go to the clerk's office and you'll hand them to the clerk, and they will start the process of opening the actual divorce case and give you next steps. So it's pretty easy to get going. Like I said, it doesn't mean the whole process is necessarily that straightforward or simple to complete. There are a number of steps, but you can at least get the train leaving the station with just a few documents here in Colorado to get the divorce train rolling.